My name is Mtobe Limone from STRT FORTE. This is a CHATBOX, and we are at the Folk Law Festival. Now is industry workshop where we'll get advice and tips. So right now we have this is one
Nomabhotwe.
this is Nomabhotwe from up in Nelson Mandela Bay. So this one, what are you busy with today and the future? Meaning, what can people look forward from you? Or I know that you have an album, and what else do you do?
So namhlanje bendize apha e-Folk Law Festival. I was invited by uDumza Maswana, so I thought let me come and so yabona ndizomamela uba kuthiwani kanye kanye. Yeah, so yeah, and then Gogo, I'm living and I'm going to continue with my
Daily duty.
my daily duties. Yeah, until So also, I've released an album called 2024, and last year I did a tour, which is called Hamba Ungemi album tour. So I've been busy with that. This past weekend, last week Saturday, I was performing at Gauteng, a Hard Rock Cafe.
Okay.
Naphaya abantu came in numbers. Kanti last year, August, I was there Gauteng, Victor Theatre. Naphaya abantu came in numbers support. In fact,
Support is very
it
important.
was I went to Cape Town, STRT Theatre, went to East London, Guild Theatre, then I went to Joburg, Victor Theatre. Zonke ezo theatres bezigcwele ngembambo every time. Ndibabiza abahlali abazongisapota. So I'm so happy. Thank you so much to everyone who came and support Hamba Ungemi album tour. So kulo nyaka xa ndibala back 18 years ago, which makes it 20 years kulo nyaka, ndandijoyine iband kaStombi Mafi. So it's been 20 years ndifukuza apha kwesi space somcuzo, uyabona, and ndithe xa sihleli with my team sacinga into yobana we cannot let loo nto ihambe nje without having any form of celebration, uyabo. So we thought we do need to do something. Siza kuyi-announce ke kodwa kwi-social media xa ixesha lifikile. You're going to have a media briefing and do an official announcement yobana le ntombi kudala ifukuza. So kulo nyaka it's been 20 years elapha kwesi space. So then I'm looking forward to that, and I'm also going to celebrate uNomhle Nkonyeni.
Yes.
I've spent quite a lot of time naye, especially ngeli xesha ebuyile lapha eBhayi. Like we've had a couple of times sihlala sobabini. At some point wakhe wathi ndifuna ukucela apha kokweni mani wena uzohlala apha endlini usundidika. Ndiqonde andicingi yayazi oledi bayandithuka ngoba no, I'm not doing that. But ixesha elininzi besihlala kunye ndifundisa nopheka, senze izinto ezininzi sobabini, and ndifila into yoba kulo nyaka I do celebrate here. So there's something big that is coming. I'm not allowed to mention it. My producer Edgar Nandwetha.
So this year is a year of celebration.
Celebrate
As a celebration year.
When you celebrate, yes.
So also I picked up there's a team involved.
Yes.
There are people advising.
Yes. You can't have a tour in Gagayana without
Without
a
a
team.
team.
Yes. There's definitely a team.
So roughly, we've learned a lot so kuninzi already, and we can't wait for last surprise
Is our
figure. And also mental health, everyone wants to reach a certain stage, but obviously kukuzobakho barriers okanye stumbling blocks ezifikayo kuye. So one of them is mental health. Tina askwazi address within the youth and also within the creative space. Abanye bayenza bayidwala to drugs, but some bazoyicima off kanti izophinde boy. So what is your motivation for mental health? How do you deal with mental health? And also what's your motivation?
uyabona pha kwenye theatre nje bekukho a festival ekuthiwa liPhulo, and I happen to be so kukho a telenovela that I was part of. Ndi-actor pha enye character as a pimp, so bendiyi-pimp la character. So now one of the questions ebezibuzwa phaya kukuba udila njani nayo yonke le nto because you're a female and here are you acting yabona and so mna I think umthandazo uyandinceda kwizinto ezininzi because phayana I had to ndinxibe this character yalo mama ukhohlakeleyo but ndibe ingandimanga one.
Yeah.
So before I do all of those things, I sit at home, I pray and meditate so that ndikwazi ukukhulula this character ndibe le ndiphinde ndikhululeke, you know, because I'm not really that's hours. Yes, not
That's also wrong.
yeah. So kum umthandazo keeps me grounded undenza ndithandaze ndikwazi uqhuba usuku ndikwazi ukunxiba this hat ndinxibe leya ndikwazi you know yeah.
So meaning mthandazo sets your mind straight okanye sets your sets direction.
Indenza ndihlale kwivision yam.
Compass.
Yes.
So everyone needs a compass. Whatever works for wena and ibona compass khona hlala khona. Thank you very much. So ku social media bafumana vi.
On social media Nomabotwe, Facebook Nomabotwe, Instagram Nomabotwe, TikTok Nomabotwe. Yes.
I'm dancing for TikTok.
You did it.
Okay.
Real good.
Okay, thank you very much. STRT FORTE fans, please search for Usus Nomabhotwe. And also, if you artists, you aspire to be like her, please go on social media and study her. Because we must have a blueprint about Sfunbang Bani and how we're going to move forward. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you so much, Gordon.